Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back with another unboxing. Just a quick one. This is from a company called Voltme, and this is the Revo series of their charging block, a fast charger. What's supposed to make this one different is that it's supposed to be super small, but also super fast. In fact, it says it could do an iPhone in the span of, say, 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see just how small this thing really is. Whoa, that is tiny for a fast charger. Definitely, I've seen charging blocks like this before, but... So that's it right there. Plug comes out. It's got both Type A and Type C USB connections. And, you know, pretty much everybody needs one of these. Sometimes people lose them all the time. But something like this, you might want to put bedside, you know, as your primary charger at nighttime. Like I said, iPhone 13, they said from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. So I will have to try this out, and I will let you know if it works. But that's basically it. A simple kind of must-have tool, especially if you're running out, you need some juice really quick, and you don't want to take too much space. Something like this is what you need.